Let's make our kids famous during lockdown. An initiative from Sheena's Fun School. Let's break the chain. Stay home, stay safe. These two little butterflies are going to teach us in this craft making session how to make a colorful hanging parrot using marble paper and crepe paper. Presenting before you Keziah and Keren, the twin sisters.
എല്ലാവരും സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ബട്ടൺ പ്രസ് ചെയ്യണം. Please press the subscribe button.
Hi friends, my name is Keziah and this is Keren. Today we are doing craft making. Today we are going to make a hanging parrot. These are the things required: crepe paper, marble paper, scissors, sketch pen, cotton yarn, doodle eye, fevicol and a pen. First we take a green marble paper and draw a parrot on it. Then we cut it out. Use the scissors in the presence of an adult. Draw the parrot with the help of a sketch pen. Now it's time to draw the beak. We take the yellow marble paper, take a sketch pen and draw the beak. And then we cut it with a scissors. Now apply fevicol on the beak. Then stick it on the body of the parrot. After sticking the beak, apply glue on the doodle eye and then stick it on top of the parrot. Now we make the feathers and the tails. First we take, it can be colorful, so I'm going to take a dark green crepe paper and cut a strip. And then cut it like this so that it can get a feather-like look. Apply glue on the tail and then stick it here. Like that. We take this color then stick this as well on the body. Make sure to stick 3 or 4 strips on the parrot. Then take another strip. Don't forget to cut the edge. After sticking this, then we make another strip. Make sure to make it smaller than the wing tail. In this also you should cut the edge. And then take fevicol, apply it on the wings and then stick it here on the body of the parrot. If you want, you can use other colors as well. Make sure to make it thin. Now you trim the ends. Now the body of the parrot is ready. So now we take a pen and then make a hole on top of the parrot, and then you take a string hanging parrot is now ready. You can hang it anywhere in your homes. We made another hanging parrot earlier, and now you can hang it anywhere you like in your house. Hope you understood how to make the parrot. These are the other crafts we made during our holidays.